Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Typeform in WordPress. You can easily add engaging, interactive forms to your website, enhancing user experience and data collection. We'll cover both manual embedding and using the official plugin, ensuring your forms look great and function perfectly. Get ready to transform your site's interaction with powerful Typeform features. For manual embedding, first, grab your form's HTML embed code from the Typeform Share panel. Then, open your WordPress editor and add a custom HTML block where you want the form to appear. Simply paste the code there. You can select various embed types like standard, pop-up, or full page to best suit your site's design and user flow. Using the official Typeform WordPress plugin simplifies the process significantly. After installation, you'll find a new editor block to easily add your forms. This method avoids direct code handling and often provides better integration with your WordPress theme. It's perfect for those who prefer a more visual and streamlined approach to form management. To optimize your Typeform forms, always ensure they are mobile responsive, providing a great experience on any device. Thoroughly test all submissions before publishing to catch any errors. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home or office setup. These steps ensure your forms are effective and engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.